Hi, I'm محمد Abdullah and we are practicing the American accent. Let's learn some of the confusing words. I have made this video. I have decided to record this video because a lot of my students mistakenly mispronounce them because they are confused. The spelling is similar and both words are similar and they make mistakes. They mistakenly mispronounce them. So for that I have recorded this video. So the first two words are, how do you say it? Did you say dessert or did you say desert? The spelling is similar but the meaning is different. In desert we stress the first syllable and in dessert we stress the last syllable. So what is desert? You might be thinking. Desert is a dry area of land. There is no water, just sand. You can see it in the photo. Now let me give you some example sentences. That desert is really dangerous. He lives in that desert. This desert is really hard. That hotel is in that desert. This desert is really beautiful. That desert has a park. The last word is dessert. What is dessert? You might be thinking. Dessert is something that people like to eat it after the meal. Something sweet after the meal, like cookies or chocolate cake. Let me give you some example sentences. We had a creamy dessert today. That restaurant serves a good dessert. Would you like to have a dessert? I had a chocolate cake today at dessert. So that's it for today. And if you want to improve your English more, check out our online course that'll help you improve your English more. So see you inshallah in next class, in next video. Bye bye.